Hi everyone, it's me Elleine and welcome to my channel. So today I decided to transform my sister's old skirt into a sexy top. So this is the skirt I found at my sister's closet. The fabric is good, especially the color, but the style is definitely outdated. First thing I did is I removed the waistband, the pocket, and the lining inside the skirt. Here's the pattern. I cut square form and it measures 8 inches both sides. Fold it in triangle form and cut 4 inches to the right side. Once the front and the lining pieces are cut, I sew the two layers wrong side together. Next, I cut the pieces of fabric for the strap, and it measures 22.5 inches length and 1 inch width. Once the straps is ready, I put them together and sew the two layers wrong sides. Also, I put the strap between the two fabrics. So this is the result. I already flipped the fabric to the right side. In the waistband, I cut 23.5 inches width and 3.5 inches length. It's time to make a ruffles. It's up to you how long do you want your ruffles will be, but make sure to cut 2 times your waist measurement so we can create a ruffles. So I decided to put a zipper rather than a garter. And this is my third time of my sewing journey and my first time sewing a zipper. So wish me luck. Fighting! It's time to sew the strap at the back and we are finished.